everybody, so I am here at the Shuttlebirds Tatting Workshop with Laura. Say hi. Yes, and we are having so much fun over here. We have the booth, so we brought books, and we brought yarn and beads, and we brought lots of thread, and we even brought some of the fun embroidery stuff. And I had a lot of shuttles, but I don't have a lot of shuttles any longer because you guys kind of cleaned me out. So anyway, I just thought I would give you a little walkthrough on some of the things that we brought in the booth this year. Okay, and I am out here where I can show you all of the fun stuff. So here we go. We have the lovely teacher board, and I totally forgot to put my name on those. That's okay. Ooh, there's the raffle quilt, which is a yearly thing that they do. Looks gorgeous this year. And then we have all of these fun things that they are showing off. Gotta love the fun stuff. All kinds of fun things. Yeah. Isn't this great? And then over here we have the lovely entries for the contests. Gotta love that. Oh, look, I found tatters.
Yeah, there's tatters.
I know. Wave to my YouTube people.
Hey, Calvin.
Yeah, hi. And more tatters and more tatters. There's just tatters everywhere. What can I say? That is kind of what we're here. So if you have ever thought about coming to the Shuttlebirds Workshop, right now we're kind of at the end of day one, but it is a ton of fun, and I can highly recommend coming out here and checking it out. And it's not just because I teach or vend. It's a fun venue, it's great people, and it's a really good weekend. Now, I promised my students that I would cut out all of the background noise, but this was my class learning wire tatting, and we were having a great time. And then this was a picture from my flight home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.